Welcome back to Herc's Place. I am Professor Albert Herkin, Birkin, Birkin. I am the Purple Professor, and you are just in time for an amazing experiment. This demonstration today is all about electricity and how the electricity flows, and it flows. So let me show you what we've got here. First we have this cord that I've taken off of an electrical appliance, and I've taken the ends and snipped them, and this is where, you know, when you plug it in like this, you plug it in, the electricity comes from the wall outlet. Oh, you know, you can trace the electricity back a long way, but when it gets to the house and comes through the wall outlet and then up to the power strip, and then you turn on the power strip, the electricity comes into one of these little prongs, one of those, then it goes through the wire, goes through to the appliance, and comes back around, and it makes a complete circuit. Now, the problem with this particular wire is that I've cut it. Not only have I cut it, I have taken and attached two big nails to it. Okay, so I call this demonstration the electric pickle. Did you know that you could electrify and even make a glowing pickle with this electricity? Let me show you how I'm going to do this. First, we make sure everything is unplugged and everything is off. Okay, so off and unplugged. And then we need a pickle. I just happen to have a nice pickle here. You see the pickle? So we take the pickle and we plug it in. Plug it in. Plug it in. Okay, there's one. And then we'll take it and plug in the other end of the pickle. Okay, so it looks somewhat like Frankenstein. We'll call it a Franken pickle. But we have the pickle. We have it all plugged in. Now we plug this in to our power strip. We haven't turned the power loose, so theoretically we should have the power coming through, hitting one of those prongs, running through and it would have stopped, except we have something to bridge the gap, and to bridge that gap is the pickle. So the electricity should come through, it should go through the pickle and go back and complete the circuit. Yes, the circuit. Once it completes the circuit, then we should see the amazingness happen. So I got to step away for a second. I want to turn off the lights so that you may be able to see it even better. So I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. The lights are down. There's still enough light to see here. And you can see, you concentrate right here on the pickle. Okay, so hopefully we won't make a pickle. We will just enjoy watching the pickle. Let's just electrify the pickle. Power on. If you listen carefully, you'll hear some bubbling, and it's starting to smoke a little bit. And what do you see there? Do you see that? It's an electric pickle. This pickle is fired up. And we turn him off because I know this is not smell-o-vision, so you can't smell what I'm smelling, but that smells pretty bad. So, but did you see when the circuit completed and the brine and the vinegar and the salt and all that is in the pickle, that produced a way for that electricity to bzzz right through the pickle? Let me turn my lights back on. Well, we just turn on the one. Okay, so we turned it on. The power courses through, and then it starts to glow. And that, my friends, is amazing. And quite smelly. I'm sure Mrs. B is not going to like this. I'll have Mr. B go to her and explain what's going on, and we'll just see how all this plays out, because I'm getting ready to do it again. And so, you know, if I do it again, it's going to smell even worse. So, all right. So, thanks again for stopping by Herc's Place. I am the Purple Professor, and this has been the Electric Pickle. I see you again another time.